Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we've been getting a lot of questions about how do we mount a fish finder or a depth finder, or in that case a chart plotter combo. So what we run typically is a Garmin Stryker, go figure. This is the 7-inch Vivid model. This is a new model that they've come out with, and it's incredible. It works for us perfectly. I love the big 7-inch screen. It gives me lots of information. It gives me my speed, my water temp. So for us, it's incredible. Now for mounting this system, we use our standard Scotty mount with the GPS fish finder 7-inch adapter plate. So with our system and our boats, it's all plug and play. You simply mount the fish finder onto the base plate, plug it into the boat, and you're good. Now what we like to do is we just put a shielded loom on the wires, and then we use these zap straps that are removable, and I simply just tie it around the line, our wraparound lifeline, hook it back up, and away we go. Now going to the back of the boat, I have a few of these clips along the way, and then I simply have my excess. I have my positive and my negative terminal, and then I just tuck the loose wires out of the way, and then for the transducer, what I do is I have a modified suction cup. So this suction cup mount did not come with the system, but it's a very simple to modify it, and I bought this off Amazon. It was maybe 20 bucks, and I just add the transducer, put the bolt through, done. Now the other thing I do is, again, I use one of those big removable zap straps, and I hook that to the welded towing eye that's on the back of all of our Stryker boats. And what that does is just a safety redundancy. So if this were to let go, it wouldn't end up in the prop or pull out of the back of my fish finder. So it's a very simple, easy to use. The whole system takes me 2 minutes to set up. So actually I'll show you right now. So what I'll do is, we are just finished this trip for the day. So I'm just gonna pull my leads off. So my positive, my negative. So, and then what I do is I just wrap this up. Now it's more of these. And then what I do is I simply just hook the removable zap strap back up. So there it is, guys. That's my entire fish finder system ready to go, nice and neat, nice loom, and I store this in a bucket with all of my other Scotty accessories. So as soon as I get to the lake, I'm 2 or 3 minutes setting up my boat, and we're ready to rock. So great addition to any day out on the water. Gives you lots of information out there, and makes your time on the water just a little bit more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, guys.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.